Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to turn off notifications on Meetup. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Meetup application. Tap on your profile picture on the top right corner. Tap on settings icon on top right corner. Now onto this preferences section, tap on push notifications. Tap on the switch icon in the first row in order to turn off all the notifications. And that is how you can easily turn off all the notifications on Meetup. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.